Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and it's a little early today. We're getting started kind of early. We gotta eat breakfast and get out on the road. I had the cars covered last night because it was kind of stormy. I gotta still uncover mine. We're going to Devil's Tower today, so decent little ride out there, like an hour away just to get started. I still need to change into something more sun appropriate because those long sleeve shirts are the way to go. And yeah, we gotta get going, so we're gonna skip right to that. We'll see you there. Well, it's day 2 of really being in. It's really day 3, but I didn't really film much on day 1. But of the really cool rides, we did a bunch yesterday: the Iron Mountain and Needles, and then we got up this morning to come out to Devil's Tower, and we're parked here just on the side of the road. It's pretty cool. It's really random that there's a giant rock in the middle of nowhere out there, and people come take pictures of it. Like, just so strange, but it's cool. It's real cool at like sunrise, sunset, when it's like lit up, the golden hours, you know. But yeah, definitely cool. Now we got, you know, people want to take pictures of our cars, but we're used to it. Well, this is my daily reminder for Vanderhall to give us a freaking pop-up for the free advertisement we're doing for you.
No.
We're at the Devil's Tower, right? This like amazing natural wonder of the world. It's like the 9th wonder of the world, and people are more interested in our cars than the Devil's Tower. I don't know. Maybe that's good marketing for you guys. Maybe. Hewlett, Wyoming. It's a little bitty town. I like their old bank. I like this old truck. It's a Studebaker. You don't see a Studebaker truck too often, especially with a 4-point harness in it. And look, a Vanderhall showed up. That's random. That's Paul, the event promoter coordinator guy. Guess he's going to Devil's Tower because we were just there. Alright, so Devil's Tower was fun. Now we're headed to Bridal Falls. Not that you can see it, but there's a cave way up there. I imagine there's probably a bunch around here. I mean, we're just driving through this canyon. This is Spearfish Canyon of all places. I mean, it's beautiful. Alright, so we made it to Bridal Veil Falls. There were a bunch of cars right here in a way a second ago, so we had to park way over here. But you can see all these people down here. And the falls are right here. Pretty cool. Sure, yeah. No problem. You want sideways landscape or vertical or what? You want to go vertical so we can get the whole falls in there? Okay. I'm gonna go right here. Ready? Yeah, maybe we can do this a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Looks great. Big smiles. Oh my gosh, y'all are fabulous. That's amazing. All right, see if those are good.
I'm sure they are.
No, I'm not with them. I was just a photographer.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
You never know out here.
I know. Oh, you can walk over there? Oh, we're walking over there. Somehow. How do you get over there? Whoa. Yeah? We ran across 3 going through the Needles Highway yesterday. It was pretty cool. Yeah, we gotta walk over there. Do it. They're wussing out. I'm going this way. I guess you can go the other way too. I'm going right here. Oh, it's sketchy. Yes, you gotta cross the water and the logs. Bounce beam, bounce beam. Oh. 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 Whew. Oh. Sketchy. Sketchy. Totally worth it. I don't know if Chad and Brian are going to make it because it's pretty steep to walk down that. Then you got to cross the river. Brian and Chad didn't make it down there. It was a little tricky. I mean, I slid for several feet, but totally worth it. And they won't know that there's a goat on the other side. I'm not going to tell them. I'm just going to let them watch the video and find out what they missed. Ha! Yesterday, I was pretty frustrated. It's not a term that I want to put on my YouTube channel. It was ridiculous. And there's this Polaris dealership out in the middle of nowhere. They've got, you know, side-by-sides and stuff. And they've got slingshots, of course. I assume you can probably rent them from here. And then we found this one. This guy that matches Ken and Sandy's Laguna. So we've deemed it their ugly cousin. So we think they need to come get this one or something. That'd be fun. So here's a little vendor row at the three-wheeler compound. Got a few different vendors. You know, a little pavilion for you to sit underneath, listen to music. Hottie's gourmet hot dogs.
Don't move. Stay in their way. Where's the blue one? Hi!
Hey!
What is that?
Is this a modified slingshot?
Yeah, this took us years.
Yeah, kit car. Oh, that's a good deal.
Thanks.
Wow. That's nice. I don't know. How far is it?
I don't know. It's a loop.
Oh, I don't know. We just got done with that.
Yeah,
All the way to Devil's Tower and all the way back. This is pretty.